Reporting live from beautiful Northwest Florida, and that's Pensacola, Florida. If you do not know, my name is Melly Mel Shaves. I'm shaving for the razor company. In this video, I wanted to share with you a summer banger soap set that I think will be perfect in your collection, especially during the spring and summer. It's heating up, guys. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright, so the soap set that I'm going to be featuring is Ariana and Evan's Aqua de Boracay. Guys, if you guys are bored with your aquatics, try this one. This will relieve your boredom from aquatics. Especially this is the spring and summer. It's heating up, guys. This is a perfect soap set for the spring and summer. So the notes, I'm going to leave the notes right here somewhere. So the notes are marine notes, ozone, mineral notes, violet leaf, fresh coconut, sea salt, ginger, sage, Indonesian vetiver, sandalwood, and cedar. This is Peter's Kaizen 2 base with the emu oil. Man, I absolutely love this soap. The scent strength is medium, and when you load it up, it pushes real good, way above medium. And aftershave splash is actually smells better than the soap set. I mean the soap, if that makes sense. Anyway, let me wash the face, and I can't wait to share with you guys. Anyway, see you in a bit. Alright, and guys, I'm working with 3 days growth. I've already shaved the runways right here for video purpose only, so I don't have to take off my glasses. And man, guys, when you open this up with the lather, it opens up beautifully. So the stars of the show on this one is the fresh aquatics, but the one that gives it that moment is the fresh exotic coconuts. And this soap here is blended so good. In fact, I love this soap set so much that I even purchased the EDP from the meetup by Peter. If you were watching, you did an amazing job on this soap set. You really did. Again, guys, if you guys like aquatic scents, this one is for you with the coconut in it. Those are the stars of the show. And the minerals gives it that added freshness. And this is the Kaizen 2 base, which is with the emu oil. Comment below, guys, if you guys ever tried Ariana. I think most of us have. Oh, and by the way, this is my very first video that I'm doing for the razor company. I love the razor company. I always check them out before if I ever want anything wet shaving, I go to them first. I just go to them first. Why? Because I get great customer service each and every time, and why not support ours that gives that? And Jason, phenomenal guy. I got a chance to meet him during the meetup, and man, stellar guy. And I'm proud to call him my friend. Anyway, the aromatherapy right now as I'm doing this video is amazing. Love it. Absolutely love it. Alright. Brush I'm using. I'm rocking with the Wolf Whiskers brush. You guys know I like to tell you what I'm using. I'm rocking with People Spray, the Super Iridiums. And first day use, and I'm rocking with Aylsworth Titanium. Alright guys, let's get to it. Let's shave. Actually, I want to lather more, but if you don't want to be bored with that, this aromatherapy is just amazing, man. I could lather for days if I want to. Super easy to lather. This up here is, I get the slickness and the protection that I need. So yeah. Oh yeah, first pass is good. You guys know when you do that first or second pass, you already know if it's going to be a bad shave or a good shave. This is going to be a great shave. Easy. And I'm loving this Aylsworth Titanium razor. Love it. Mm-mm-mm. This titanium Aylsworth APEX, it's just a perfect daily driver, and I've been loving up on my titanium blades. I mean, not the titanium razors. Alright, we're gonna make it a 2-pass shave. So I already did with the grain, now I'm gonna be doing against the grain. That money pass, the money pass, my favorite pass. Comment below what is your favorite pass. Mine is the money pass. Alright, let me lather up this goodness. And I'm rocking with my CaYuen bowl. So this soap set, I've been using it for a while now, and I'll tell you, I'm gonna share you a story. So Asian Plum has always been my #1 favorite soap scent favorite out of Ariana Evans. I will say this: can we all agree that Ariana Evans always puts out their soap scents are just phenomenal? We'll just say that. But Asian Plum has always been my favorite. So I've been using this for a few days now, and I'm gonna let you know now, Aqua de Boracay has supplanted Asian Plum as my favorite scent, just because it's a very unique, exotic, aquatic with the coconut notes and the sea salt and the ginger and that Indonesian vetiver with the sandalwood and the cedar. It's all blended so well. And not only that, if you guys don't know what Aqua de Boracay, Boracay is a beautiful beach island in the Philippines. Just Google Boracay, Philippines, and you will see how beautiful that place is. I'm going to leave the pictures right here just to give you some scenery on how beautiful Boracay, Philippines is. Love the Philippines. Hey, I'm a proud Filipino American. Both my parents are from the Philippines, and me and my brother were first generation American. Google Boracay, and you will see how beautiful those beaches are. All right, let's get this money pass going. Sorry guys, I'm just enjoying this scent. You know how it is when you lather up and you're enjoying that scent, you just keep lathering. So I'm gonna stop lathering and start shaving. All right, against the grain. The money pass. Wow. Man, combination of that Aylsworth titanium with the People's Blade, aka the Super Iridiums. Magic. Oh, comment below what's your favorite Arianas. Love to know. You guys know I love to engage with you guys. That's why I do these videos, man. I enjoy my wet shaving journey so much that I gotta share with you guys. And comment below, guys, if you guys try the Aqua de Boracay. You can get this at the razor company. Just saying. BBS. That's baby butt smooth for me. Anyway, let me wash the face. And let's put this aftershave goodness. See you in a bit. Alright, now to apply this goodness right here. Now I'm going to be doing the hashtag, the shake. That's the thing that I do before I apply any aftershave splash. You got to wake it up. And then when you do this, when you do the hashtag, the shake, you will receive good luck. I don't know about you. For me, I need all the good luck I need. Anyway, comment below if you guys do the hashtag, the shake. Mandatory, in my opinion. Woo! Cannot wait to put this on my skin. Oh yeah. Aromatherapy, baby. That's why we do this, right? That's why I'm sharing you my current favorite. Ariana and Evans, and this is gonna be my spring summer banger soap set for for the summer and spring. Man, one thing I hate about a traditional wedge shave is the end is done. But hey, I'm also happy because I look forward to my next shave. Anyway, I just want to appreciate Jason from the Razor Companies for allowing me to share this video with you guys. Until the next one, later YouTube. And oh, I forgot, do not forget, life is tough, but guess what? Guess what? So are you. Remember that. Anyway, later YouTube. Mwah, summer banger, Ariana Evans, Aqua de Boracay.